Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Clarity English Practice, the best place to improve your skills, where we help you talk about daily life in English. Learning here is easy, fun, and honestly, just a great vibe. I'm Jessica.
Hello, Jessica. Hello, everyone. It is wonderful to be here today for some real conversation practice for beginners.
It really is. The energy feels good today. How are you doing, David?
I am good, thank you. I am technically awake.
Awake? Well, that is a good start for our daily routine conversation.
Exactly. I had my coffee, large black coffee, so I am ready. How are you, Jessica? You look like you've been up for hours.
I am great. I am very happy today. I had a really good morning. You know, sunshine, birds chirping.
Oh, that's nice. A good morning is very important when using A1 English concepts to describe your life.
It is, and that is our topic today. We're going to talk about your day and our daily life, the messy parts, the fun parts, all of it.
Daily routines. Yes, this is a topic everyone has. We all have a day to get through, right?
Yes, we do. We all have things we do every day, morning, afternoon, and night. And honestly, that consistency is how to train your brain to speak in English.
It sounds very interesting. Sometimes people think routine is a boring word, like doing the same thing over and over.
Maybe, but I think our routines can be very different and very interesting, which makes for excellent English listening practice. It connects us.
I agree, and it is perfect for English practice. We use simple words to help you learn to think in English about your own day, your own life.
Exactly. But first, before we dive into the chaos of our days, we have a small request.
Yes, we do. If you want to speak English fluently and you feel a connection with our podcast, please click the like button. A big thumbs up helps us find more friends like you.
Yes, please do. And if you are new, welcome to the family. Please subscribe to Clarity English Practice for more tips on English pronunciation.
It helps us so much. And please share this English speaking practice conversation with a friend who is learning English. Maybe someone who needs a study buddy?
Thank you. We love our listeners. Okay, David, are you ready?
Yes, Jessica, let's do this.
Daily life. Let's start at the beginning, the morning.
Oh no, the morning, the enemy.
You do not like the morning?
Jessica, I am not a morning person, not at all. I'm basically a zombie until 10 a.m.
Oh, really? I am a total morning person. I love the morning. It's so fresh.
Wow, how? Just how? For me, the morning is difficult. The alarm clock is my worst nightmare.
The alarm clock. Yes, the sound of doom.
I do not like that sound. Beep, beep, beep. It hurts my soul.
My alarm is music. Soft, acoustic music. It's very gentle.
That is smart. My alarm is just loud. I wake up and I think, oh no, already? Why?
And do you get up?
No, absolutely not. I press the snooze button.
The snooze button, the dangerous button.
Yes, 5 more minutes. It's a lie I tell myself every day.
But is it 5 minutes?
Maybe. Sometimes 5 minutes, then 5 more minutes, then 10 more.
Oh, David, so when do you really get out of bed?
When I must. When it is very late and I realize the panic is setting in. I jump out of bed. I'm late!
Oh, that is very funny, but also stressful. My morning is very different.
Tell me. Make me jealous.
I wake up early, before the sun.
Wow. Before the sun? Why?
I love the quiet. The house is very quiet. No cars, no noise. It is just me and my thoughts.
And what do you do in that silence?
The first thing, the most important thing, is coffee.
Ah, yes, coffee, the elixir of life. Me too. I run from the bed to the coffee machine.
How do you like your coffee, David?
I like it strong and black. No milk, no sugar, just coffee. I need the caffeine to hit my brain fast.
Yes. I like my coffee with a little hot milk. It is very warm and nice, like a hug in a mug.
That sounds good. I drink my coffee and I immediately look at my phone, doom scrolling.
Oh no, not the phone, not first thing.
Yes, I look at the news, emails, stress myself out immediately.
See, I don't look at my phone. I sit by the window with my coffee. I watch the world wake up. I just think.
That is very calm. Maybe I should try that. It sounds peaceful.
It's very nice. Okay, so we have coffee. What about breakfast?
Breakfast is very fast for me because, remember, I am late.
Yes, the snooze button effect.
I eat toast, just toast with butter, or maybe a banana if I'm running out the door. Very easy.
That is very fast. I like to eat a good breakfast. I eat yogurt with fruit, or sometimes I make eggs.
Eggs on a weekday? Wow, Jessica, you have a lot of time.
I wake up early.
That's true. You earn those eggs. Okay, so after breakfast, we get ready for the day.
Yes, I take a shower. I like a very hot shower.
Me too. A hot shower is good for waking up. It's the only thing that helps.
And then the difficult part.
What?
Choosing clothes.
Oh yes, the daily struggle.
I look in my closet. I have many clothes, shirts, pants, dresses, and I always think,
What? Look amazing?
no, I think I have nothing to wear.
Oh yes, I know that feeling. It makes no sense.
It is so silly. I have so many clothes, but nothing feels right.
My system is very easy. I hacked the system.
What is your system, David?
I only have blue shirts.
No, really? Just blue?
Yes, blue shirts, white shirts, gray shirts. Very simple. I grab one, done. No stress.
David, that is very smart. Like Steve Jobs, but with blue shirts.
It is easy. No thinking. Thinking is for later when I am actually awake.
Okay, so you have your blue shirt. I finally find a dress, and then work?
Yes, time to go to work. The commute.
How do you go to work? Do you drive?
No, I take the bus. I live the city life.
Ah, the bus. Is it good?
It is okay. It is very crowded. Many people. Everyone looks tired.
I don't like crowded places. Personal space is important.
Me too, but I can listen to music. I put in my headphones, close my eyes, and I listen to music or a podcast.
Oh, a podcast. Good podcast?
Yes, sometimes I listen to Clarity English Practice. Wink.
Good choice. Very smart. What about you, Jessica?
Oh wait, I asked you. What about you, Jessica?
I drive my car.
Ah, your car. That is nice. Private concert time?
It is nice, but the traffic is not nice.
Oh yes, the traffic. The sea of red lights.
Many cars, so many cars, all going very slow. Stop, go, stop, go. It drives me crazy.
Oh, that is boring.
It is. I listen to music too. Loud music. Karaoke in the car.
Okay, so we are at work. We survived the commute.
Yes. What is your workday like, David? Is it busy?
Yes, it is always busy. The first thing I do is get more coffee.
Of course. Coffee number 2.
I go to my desk, I turn on my computer, and the horror. So many emails.
Ah, the emails. I know. The inbox never sleeps.
I read emails, I write emails. Then I have meetings.
Yes, meetings. Like your meeting about the big report?
Yes, like that meeting. Talking. Sometimes I wonder, could this have been an email?
My day is similar. I talk to people, I help people. I like my job mostly, but yes, many emails.
What about lunch? This is my favorite part of the workday, the highlight.
Me too. Food is life. Do you bring your lunch from home or do you buy lunch? I usually bring my lunch.
Oh, that is very good, very organized.
Yes, I make a salad or a sandwich at home in the morning.
Wow, Jessica, you make eggs and a sandwich? You are superwoman.
It is easy and it is cheap. Buying lunch every day is expensive.
That is true, but I am not organized. I am chaos.
So you buy lunch?
Yes, I go to a small cafe near my office. I buy a sandwich. They know my name.
Is it good?
It is very good, and I like to walk for 10 minutes. Get out of the office, see the sky.
Yes, that is important. To walk a little, clear the head.
And in the afternoon, I get very sleepy. The 3 p.m. slump.
Oh, yes, around 3 p.m.?
Yes, exactly 3 p.m. My eyes are heavy.
Do you drink more coffee?
Sometimes, or I drink tea, green tea, trying to be healthy.
Green tea is good. I eat a small snack, an apple.
An apple, very healthy. I eat a cookie.
A cookie is good too. Balance, right?
Exactly. Okay, so 5 p.m. Work is finished?
Yes, the best time. Freedom!
I go home on the bus again. I am very tired now. I just look out the window and dissociate a little bit.
I go home in my car. The traffic is bad again.
Oh no, the evening rush.
But I am happy because I'm going home to my sanctuary.
Yes, home is the best. What is the first thing you do when you open the door?
Good question. I put down my keys, I put down my bag, and I say hello to my dog.
Oh, you have a pet dog.
Yes, his name is Buddy. He is very happy to see me. He jumps, he barks, his tail goes crazy. It's pure love.
Oh, that is so nice. Unconditional love.
It is. What about you, David?
I open the door and I say hello to my cat.
You have a pet cat?
Yes, her name is Luna.
Is Luna happy to see you?
She is a cat, so it's complicated.
Oh, I see.
She looks at me, she judges me, she says, meow.
What does that mean?
It means, hello, servant, now give me cat food.
Cats. They are the boss.
Yes, Luna is the boss of my house. I just pay the rent.
So after you say hello to the pets, what next?
I change my clothes. This is very important, the transition.
Oh, yes.
I take off my work clothes, my blue shirt, and I put on pajamas.
Pajamas? Immediately?
Not pajamas, not yet, just comfortable loungewear. A t-shirt, sweatpants.
Yes, me too. Comfortable clothes. It feels so good, like exhaling.
And then dinner time.
Yes, I am usually hungry.
Do you cook dinner, Jessica?
I do. I like cooking. It is very relaxing. Chopping vegetables is therapy.
Really? For me, cooking is stressful.
Stressful? Why?
I'm a bad cook, Jessica, a very bad cook. It's a disaster in the kitchen.
Oh, no.
I burn things, I burn the chicken, I burn the rice. One time I think I burned the water.
David, how do you burn water? That's impossible.
I don't know. I forgot it. All the water was gone. The pot was smoking.
Oh, my goodness. So what do you eat for dinner?
I cook simple meals, like pasta with tomato sauce or eggs.
Eggs again? Breakfast for dinner?
Eggs are easy, or I order food.
Ah, like pizza delivery.
Yes, I love pizza. Pepperoni pizza. It never lets me down.
Pizza is a great dinner. I like cooking. I cut vegetables, I listen to music. I like to make soup or pasta.
That sounds delicious. You're a very good cook. Can I come over for dinner?
Anytime. It is just simple food.
So, after dinner, it is maybe 7 p.m.?
Yes. What do you do?
I clean the kitchen.
Oh, good job, David. Adulting.
Yes, and then I sit on my sofa, my big red sofa.
Ah, the sofa. The best place on earth.
Yes, and Luna the cat, she sits with me.
Aw, she loves you really.
She sits on me, and she sleeps, and I can't move.
That is very sweet. And you, do you sleep?
No, not yet. I watch TV.
What do you watch?
I like funny movies, comedy movies. I need to laugh after a long day of emails.
Yes, laughing is good for the soul.
What about you? Do you watch TV?
Sometimes. Or I read a book.
Oh, reading books is good. What kind of books?
I like stories, fiction, escaping to another world. And I have to walk my dog, Buddy.
Oh, yes, the dog.
He needs a walk, so we go outside for a short walk.
Is it nice at night?
It is very nice. It is quiet. I look at the stars.
That sounds lovely. My cat does not like walks.
No, I don't think so. That would be funny to see.
So after your walk, what is your bedtime routine?
I go to bed early. I am a morning person, remember?
Oh, yes, the early bird.
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
10 p.m. Wow, that is early. That is when my brain wakes up.
Yes, I like to sleep. I brush my teeth, I put on my pajamas, and I read in bed for 10 minutes, then asleep. lights out.
That is wonderful. You get a lot of sleep. Sleep hygiene is important.
Yes. What about you, the not a morning person?
I go to bed late.
How late?
Maybe 11:30 p.m. or midnight.
Midnight, David.
I know. I have a late night habit, revenge bedtime procrastination. I watch one more movie or I read something on the internet.
And then in the morning, you are tired.
Yes, it is a big circle, a vicious cycle.
Oh, David, your routine is very funny.
And your routine is very organized, Jessica. I admire it.
Wow, we talked about our whole day.
Yes, from the alarm clock to pajamas.
It was so nice to hear about your day, David.
It was great to hear about yours, and Buddy, and Luna.
Yes, well, that is all the time we have for today.
Wow, time flies. Thank you everyone for listening to our chat.
Yes, thank you so much. We hope you like talking about daily life routines.
And please don't forget to subscribe to Clarity English Practice. It's free and it makes us smile.
And give this episode a like if you had fun hanging out with us.
And share it with your friends to practice English conversation. Maybe share it with your cat too.
Yes, and we have a question for you.
Ooh, yes. In the comments below, please tell us, are you a morning person like Jessica?
Or are you an evening person like David?
Yes. Tell us in the comments. We'd love to read what you write. Don't be shy.
We do. Okay, see you next time, David.
Bye, Jessica. Bye, everyone.
Bye for now.